No hay problema.
Creo que lo habían apagado.
See? Okay, this is an old one, buddy. So we got this one running. Check out this drain. The outdoors, I don't think it's running. Got a new filter on there. Let's check outside. And of course, you got some stuff here. Get this all out the way. And this door probably ain't been taken off in years. See if I got power. Looks like it's pushed in. "24 volts. Okay. Nothing, no voltage here. Get this out the way. Disconnect it in. Nothing. Nothing. Go look for that breaker panel. Probably got a trip breaker. Okay, so I asked her and she said somebody turned it off. I don't know if it's her husband or who. It's a woman here now, and basically she said somebody turned it off. So that's off. So I wasn't getting no power. I wonder why I wasn't getting no power. I'm tripping now. Let's see. That ain't sound too good. Oh, that tripped the breaker immediately. Oh. Oh. That thing arcing off in the back. That thing sparking up. So I'll do it one more time. Hell no. Alright, let's check it out. Why is it trip? It ain't trip when this was in. So it can't be. It's not the breaker. I probably shouldn't have kept doing that back and forth. Let's check on. Let's check compressor wires. Let's check the compressor wires real quick on the schematic. Let's see if I can find it. It's gotta be one of the common and the run. This thing has a crankcase heater according to the schematic. So let's check these out first. There's some mosquitoes out here. I'm gonna go ahead and put on continuity since it's tripping out the breaker instantly. It's not a good thing. Yeah, we got a bad compressor. Sorry, my guy. No AC. So that's to ground. I'm putting this to ground and I'm getting resistance. So yeah, this is an older system, super old. I'm gonna take this off so I can take off that compressor plug and just verify that ain't nothing with the wires. We up. So we got a bad compressor, but this thing is R22. Sorry, no cool today. Man, look at this thing. This thing is just sitting bad. You got stuff all over this. I'm gonna put this back for him. And I'm gonna let him know I took the compressor wires off. That way he can see that the breaker don't trip now that they're off, so he won't think I'm trying to scam him. Yeah, it's your compressor, you need a new system. So we'll just go from there. Put this on. I'm one of those guys that I'm real scared of electricity. I don't know why. It makes me jumpy. So it's actually right here. Oh man. So, got the fan running. Alright guys, so I talked to the owner, told him no AC today. We'll give him a price on the complete installation because he has a couple things in there that's also affecting the unit. This camera probably all up in my face. We gotta do some duct work modification, build a new return plenum. It's a pretty detailed job, so I'm gonna go ahead give them a price later on today or tomorrow, but we can't get everything fixed, you know what I mean? Appreciate it, folks. God bless.